All right. Chat. Good morning. Good freaking morning, bro. Holy Mr. Bond. We are live, baby. Holy. Cheddar 007, good morning. Kobe. All right, Joey, don't tell Nick, Miriam, and Matt that I'm here, please. We will keep it our secret, bro. Holy. Why did they schedule meetings at 9:30? I don't know. Tell them to lay off the meetings, though. We don't need them. Nobody needs them. Nobody needs them. Ain't nobody want a meeting, bro. G-Man, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, chat. How you guys doing, bro? How's y'all's week been? How's y'all's week been, chat? Let me share the stream out to everyone real quick. All right. Oh, baby, chat. What are we going to get today, huh? What are we going to get today? Are we going to see a sell? Are we going to see a buy? Are we going to see consolidation? What are we going to get, chat? Today, we have the Fed meeting minutes coming out. It's come out at 1 Central Time. Am I right on that? Yeah. 1 o'clock Central, we have the FOMC meeting minutes. If you trade crude oil inventories, or sorry, if you trade crude oil, watch your crude oil inventories at 9:30. Monday was rough, but I made 600 in my trading account and 700 in options yesterday. Solid recovery. Hey, let's go. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I love it. Chat, here's stats on the personal account. So far, we're up 5% in the personal account on the month. 2.3% last week, 2.7% already this week. I'm already at dollars. There you go. This is the personal account. Looking real juicy. Real juicy. Redneck, good morning. We gotta make some money. Time to make some monies. Chat, I haven't even scrolled Twitter today or this morning. What's the... Did I miss anything on Twitter, bro? Any drama? Anybody beefing on Twitter right now? Hold on. Miss K's in the building. What's up, okay? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right, G. Chat, market is open in a minute and a half. minute and a half, bro. Right now, Nasdaq is just kind of stuck in this consolidation. You know, we saw this big old sell-off yesterday, bro. Big old sell-off yesterday, and so far we've kind of been ranging. We'll see if we catch any recovery from that bounce, or if we see more downside, possibly to the 900s, the 24,900s. We will see, chat. We will see. We will see. We will see. $26s, 2026s. It's a nice little level there. We'll be watching that. Also, what's that? 111s? Yeah, 111. Gold's just kind of ranging up here, not really doing anything. Kind of consolidating. Maybe sees a move back to VWAP here. Could get heavy, come back down. We were just ripping all-time highs last night. So we could see a move come back down here, possibly to VWAP there. All right, market's open, chat. Market is open. We'll see what today brings. Honestly, man, like, patience, bro. We're gonna be patient today, unless we just see an A+ setup just like right in our face immediately. We'll take it, but honestly, today is patience. We're sitting nice and green on the week, so we want to make sure we keep it and add to it. Why is my eye so itchy, bro? Holy. My eye is like on fire. Chat, I feel like I got allergies are like kicking my ass right now or something. Or there's like ragweed. I don't know. I don't know. Carrie, how you doing? Redneck says, call me the trading doctor because I've got all the patience. Holy moly. Redneck, don't do it to him. Redneck's got all the patience. Nasdaq catching a nice little bid right out the gate here. Right out the gate, catching a nice little bid. Do we recover, chat? We could. I'm pretty sure, like, I remember right, this was news driven. This was like Oracle and Nvidia. So maybe we do catch a little bit of a recovery from that news. Just maybe. Just maybe. Showing some signs of some decent buying here coming through. Decent buying pushing through. YM is selling. So far, Nasdaq the strongest. So far, Nasdaq is the strongest. Might be looking for longs here, chat. Might be looking for longs. See if we can get a little bit of a pullback here and possibly catch a long. I'm afraid, chat, we are going to recover from yesterday's loss. Or yesterday's red day. So we'll see if we can catch a little bit of a pullback, maybe catch some more movement to the upside. All right, watching this pullback here. Watching this pullback, ski. All right, pulling back to the 112s. See if we can get a little bit deeper of a pullback here. Just want a little bit deeper of a pullback. All right, trying to catch a little bit of a bid again. Man, I really wanted 102s, chat. Fuck. I wanted 102s. Oh, that sucks. I would have loved 102s. I still might get it. Wow, what a wick. What a wick here, chat. Is it gonna run without me? Holy. Don't run without me. Please. Please. Chat, don't let it run without me, bro. Nasdaq trying to catch that bid. High is at 135. Let's see if we pop this or if we pull back. Looking like it wants to just go. Which in that case, I mean, I see nothing holding us back from recovering from yesterday. I don't see anything holding us back from recovering that big sell-off. Nothing. Nothing. This is a really weird kind of chop period in size. What's it gonna do? Here in the 130s. It's gonna pop 135s, break those highs. Looking like it's gonna do it. Looking like she wants it. There it goes. Well, chat, I wanted 102s. If it could have gave me that, I'd have got in. But it didn't give me the pullback I wanted. And here we go, sending it, bro. Just absolutely sending it. Sending it. Trading the 140s. Seeing a little bit more sellers kind of push through here. Just interesting. Coming back below this previous high here. It's pretty interesting. One thing I don't want to see, chat, is it's a chop day, bro. I don't want to see a chop day. We don't want no chop day. Sellers trying to bring this thing back down. Trying to bring her back down. Uh-oh. Holy moly, YM. What's happening? Let me look. Oh my god. Holy. YM just getting absolutely wrecked right now. Holy shnikes. Holy moly. YM, baby girl, what happened? What happened? YM, bro. Jesus. I mean, it's just been kind of getting smoked lately. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Not gonna say goodbye. All right, Nasdaq is trying to come back down too. Market trying to see a little bit of sellers come through. We'll see if they hold or if we rally it right back up. But so far, sellers bring us right back down. Sellers, sellers. Interesting. Gotta watch that 112. We gotta watch 112. What's gold doing? Gold doing anything, chat? Oh, gold actually came back down to VWAP. Catching a little, tried to catch a little bounce off VWAP there. Gold trying to catch a little bounce off VWAP. Nasdaq, another bid trying to come through on the Nasdaq here. Curious on why if YM tries to recover any of this, or if we're just going to continue seeing the selling to come in. Gold has some more sellers coming through here. Nasdaq just kind of chopping up here. A little choppy. So far, chat, our range is about 79 points so far. Not horrible given the first 16 minutes. Getting a little movement. Definitely want to see that range get a little bigger. Buyers coming back in on the NAS here. Getting ready to go pop these highs. There we go. Highs getting ran through. Really watching. I mean, we're halfway to recovering right here, chat. I mean, we're halfway through on this loss or this red day that we had yesterday. So it wouldn't be shocking if we did at this point. Nasdaq trying to just slowly grind this thing up here. I'm kind of cautious, chat, because like we do have the FOMC minutes today, and I just don't know how long volatility is going to hang around. I have no idea. Not a clue. Trying to be somewhat cautious, because I think at some point the market's going to wait on the FOMC minutes at some point. All right, Naz, what you gonna do, baby? What are we gonna do? Nasdaq kind of losing a little bit of steam, not too much, but a little bit of steam. Look at the current volume. Lost a little bit of volume on this push. We'll see if we continue ripping highs here. She might want it. She might want it. I'm kind of upset I missed the long, chat. I really wanted the long at 102. 102s would have been great. A little bit more sellers coming through here. This push kind of lost a little bit of volume, chat. Makes me a little nervous for the move higher. Makes me a little nervous for the move higher. Don't want to see a move lose steam. All right, right back up to the highs here. You can kind of see like the volume bars here kind of just stair stepping down, which means volume is kind of dying off a little bit. But that doesn't mean we can't go around the highs, or we can't continue higher, or go recover from yesterday. Just don't want to see a move losing its steam. So far, trading at 163s. What's YM doing? YM still selling off, chat? YM had a little, wow, a quick recovery to VWAP and then quick move right back down. Dude, YM be moving, boy. Chat, YM is just moving. Sheesh. YM got better movement, I think, any of them. What up, Josh? How you doing, bro? Market maker Mario just randomly caught the entire short on YM, by the way. Good morning. Just casual short. Just casually caught the whole short. Just casually, good morning, caught the entire short. Hope you're having a good day. Bald King, any giveaway? I don't know, maybe. Carrie says duck race today. I don't know, chat, maybe. I'm just not gonna tell you guys anymore. Maybe. Big Frank's in the building. What's up, Big Frank? How you doing? I was front running it a little bit, but the setup was there for a break. Listen, ain't nothing wrong with front running. I front run sometimes. Ooh, Nasdaq catching a little bit of pop here. Volume is picking back up on this move. Not with this amount of likes. Yeah, it's kind of unacceptable. I feel like we should have more likes on the stream. Kind of unacceptable. Yes, Kay. Chat, y'all heard it. Big Frank, let's hit the like button. Chat, y'all heard it here. You heard it from Big Frank. Why do I look sweaty? I don't look sweaty. Also, chat, I'm back in the gym. You know what I mean? Getting the pump back in. You know what I mean? Arms fixing to look jacked again. Listen, y'all ain't ready for it. Y'all ain't ready for it, bro. Telling you that right now. You're not ready for jacked, Joey. You're not ready for it. I'm about to get jacked again, and I'm just gonna slap the market in the face. Like I'm telling you, you're not ready. You have no idea what's coming. Charts are off, just chilling now. I traded London, got a really great trade on NQ using your limit order strat. I'm long at 31 and at top doing it nice. GG's. You're welcome. You are welcome. Glad it worked out. Glad it worked out. Speaking of that, chat, remember we have a masterclass on that strategy on October 24th, absolutely free in Discord. You don't want to miss it, baby. You don't want to miss it. The R&R was a no-brainer. Yeah. Generally, you can get like insane R&R on those types of entries. Insane R&R. It's actually incredible. Wow, look at this move on Nas. I mean, chat, we talked about it before the market opened. Recovery from yesterday. Unfortunately, I just didn't get the long that I wanted. Waiting to get paid to see if I can get an account I was supposed to like a month ago, but other shit came up, so hoping enough to get one and take my time dealing with shit that I shouldn't have to. Listen, I feel you. We all deal with the shit that we shouldn't have to. Every single one of us here in the chat, here on YouTube, here on the internet, every single trader, every single living human being goes through something that we shouldn't have to. But you know what? It's all, the only thing that matters is how we deal with it, baby. The only thing that matters is how we deal with it. Nasdaq just absolutely shredding into oblivion. Shredding into oblivion. YM, nice little recovery bid. Wowzers. YM catching a nice bid. Wow, gold, the whole entire market, chat. The whole market's catching a bid. We got gold catching a bid, Nasdaq catching a bid, ES catching a bid, YM catching a bid. My life catching a bid. Everything catching a bid. Everything's catching a bid. Sounded like opera. What you mean, bro? What you mean, big dog? I'm sounding like opera? Oprah. Oprah. All right, Nasdaq, what are we gonna do, bro? Holy, I mean, we are just shredding into oblivion. Got corrected by your phone? I see. I see. Well, chat, we missed this move. We missed the move, chat. Nasdaq just absolutely just moving and grooving to the upside here. Moving and grooving. Keeps doing this. I'm gonna hold a runner from London. Might as well. Might as well. I mean, we're just slow grinding all the way up here. I mean, why not go back to 250s, you know? Why not go back to the 250s? So bullish, unstoppable? Yes. Yes, it is, bro. Oh, man. Chat, I'm so sore, bro. My arm has healed and recovered. So I'm back in the gym. Bro, I am like extremely sore. My whole body is sore. And I got legs today. Mickey Man trading. Holy, what's up? Mickey Man, the Orb King. Mickey the Orb King. So wobble leg tomorrow? Yeah, 100%. 100%. Leg day today. Absolutely not getting out of bed tomorrow. If I will be crawling out of bed. What? All right, Nasdaq kind of just chopping up here for a minute. Chopping the 208s. Does the slow grind continue, chat? Do we continue to slow grind up here? I mean, wow, what a absolute just ripper, chat. YM's at VWAP, gold's catching a bid. Everything is looking real bullish. Real bullish. YM's kind of hanging out at VWAP here. Interesting spot on on YM. Look at this just roller coaster. I mean, it's just straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. Does YM always move in straight lines? It seems like lately it's just YM, just straight lines. Like you catch a move on YM and you're gonna catch a move. It can. Seems like it is, or does. Nasdaq's just a moving train. Nasdaq just an absolute moving train. I really haven't had an entry to get in on, chat. Like I've been watching this thing rip, but I just have not had an entry that I want to get in. The one entry I wanted was like 102, 103s before the rip even really happened. But I never got it, and so far I just haven't really got an entry that I'm like in love with. So I might have to miss this move, let it play out, and then catch a different move. I may just have to let this one play. It's like I don't want to short it yet because we're just on a moving trend on the upside, so I definitely don't want to short. I expect volume to die out somewhat fairly early. Probably not a good idea. It's like walking in front of a freight train. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, it's, I mean, this is just, I'm not gonna step in front of a train. I would love to short it. But yeah, it's not a good idea. I would definitely be a one and done today if I caught the entry I wanted on the longs. Just missed it. Trader's Nest, good morning. How you doing, bro? How you doing, Mama Bear? FOMC minutes. Yep. Probably have some volume drop off, I would imagine. Are they doing FOMC? I think so. I think we still get the minutes, don't we? Or do we? Chat, I don't know. Do we get the minutes? Hold on. We should, right? Yeah, we do. Yeah, because yeah, okay, yeah, we do. Doing great. Fully aware I'm on a streak, so now being defensive because I'm waiting to get slapped one of these days. Hey, listen. I hear you. I'm on a streak too. I really am. I'm on an absolute heater. I mean, you see my personal account, like if we go to like personal accounts up 25%. We're all green this month so far. Last month, we only had 4 red days, which were small. Green every week. We're up over 5% this month already on the personal account. So it's like on an absolute heater, chat. On an absolute heater. So now it's just continuing to play defense, which really, I haven't even taken that many trades in my personal account, chat. Even though I've traded 4 days. Out of the, what, 5 that we've had so far? Now 6. I mean, Thursday last week, we took 1 trade. Friday, we took 1 trade. Monday, we took 1 trade. Yesterday, we took 2 trades. Haven't really taken that many trades. I mean, it kind of been just a lot of one and dones on the personal account. But yeah, we're sitting really, real nice, chat. Real nice. One thing I've learned, chat, and you know, you see a lot of like streamers on YouTube streaming trading, and they're taking trades and showing a bunch of trades. And one thing I've noticed is I am much more conservative than most. Like I'm a very conservative trader. Of course, I have days where I'll slam on some trades, but for the most part, like I am pretty conservative with my trading. A lot of one trade days, 2 trade days, but it makes me money, you know. Like, is it entertaining to watch on YouTube? Probably not, because I'm just sitting here talking, like not taking many trades, so it's probably not as entertaining to watch. But it's like also too, I trade to make money, right? You know, so it's like being conservative works for me. I'm a very, very, very conservative trader, and it works. Took 4 trades on personal this month. The rest are on prop. Hey, listen, sometimes that's the way to do it, man. It's the way to do it. No need to slam on trades on the personal account, risking that personal capital. Like right now, I probably won't. I'm definitely gonna wait to take trades if I take a trade on the personal account. I don't know how I feel about the PA. I mean, we have really good PA. It's been a straight line up. We have great movement, I'll say. I don't know if I'll trade this on the personal. Maybe we take it on the prop. Definitely gonna try to take some trades on the prop accounts. We'll see what we get if we get a good setup on the personal. Right now, it seems like we are losing a little bit of steam, a little bit of volume. Appreciate that, Josh. Mario, I hear you, bro. Bag chasers. Absolute bag chasers. What is your long-term goals with your personal account? Will you size up in it eventually or take payouts from it? Oh, that's the question of the year, chat. That is the question of the year. I can't say what I have planned, but what I can say, because I do have something planned and something that I am going to do. But I can't say what that is yet. Here in like a few, maybe like four months, I can say it. But I can't say it until pretty much until early around then. But my long-term goals in this account is I'm not going to take payouts from it until I grow it to 100K. Now, when I say grow it to 100K, that means when I take prop firm payouts going forward, I'm putting all prop firm payouts into the personal while I'm trading in it and growing it. So that 100K is could come a lot quicker than you think. Like if I take a 10K payout from Tradeify, next week or something, which, we're doing well in those accounts. If I take a 10K payout, that 10K is going straight into the personal account. And so that'll, raise that dollar amount up there. But I'm going to get the account to 100K by trading the account and putting prop firm payouts in there. And then after that, I will probably pay myself whatever I make in it. Look at the sellers coming through here. But there's a bigger goal and bigger picture that I'm doing with the personal account, which I'll probably release more on here in like, 3 or 4 months. I'll give you guys a hint. I'll hint without saying exactly what it is. When you're a profitable trader, chat, and you trade profitably, you can make money. You know how to make money in the markets. What do you have to offer other people besides courses and mentorship? Because it's not that. It's not that. It's not a course, mentorship, nothing. I'll let you guys think on that. Nope. 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 I mean, my time, yes, but that's not it. Signals, no. Mario, I missed the question. Internet being a bitch, good thing. I'm not in a trade. Somebody asked what my long-term goals are for the personal account, and I said basically I gave you guys a hint because I'm not gonna say exactly what it is, but I'm a hint to you guys. If you're a profitable trader, what do you have to offer other people? And it's not a signals, it's not a course, it's not a mentorship, not any of that. It is a service, chat. Like it's not a course or a mentorship, but it is a way for other. I can't really say much without like honestly really giving it away. I'm not gonna say anything else, chat. Y'all are gonna force it out of me. No. A service to do with trading? Yeah, kind of. Last hint I'll give you. It's a way for other traders and other people. I'm not even gonna say traders. It's not even really a service to traders. It's a way for people to make money. Like it's not a service for traders. It's a service for everyone. Are y'all gonna make me say it, bro? I really don't want to. I don't know if I should. Gold's moving wild. Let's see. It's catching a little bit off VWAP. Still kind of stuck in his range a little bit though. YM. YM is caught a nice bit above VWAP here. Am I starting a profit firm? No. You just keep buying gold. I would love to keep. I would love to be in a swing trade for gold, chat. I would love to be. Like, listen. I've been saying this. I would love a just mega pullback on gold to just start loading the boat on. Just hold it to 5,000. Holy. Holy moly, sock foundation. Oh no. Golly. What's why I am the Dow? No, I'm not starting a prop firm, Sid. I won't ever start a prop firm. Ever. It's like bigger players are hedging with gold. Yeah, the one thing that worries me is when gold sells off, bro, it falls off a cliff. It really does. Like gold falls off a cliff. So when we get a pullback on gold, I feel like it's going to be pretty nasty. But I'm going to use that as an opportunity to load. You bet Scott would love to have me at his new firm? Hell no. No, sir. I was staying far away from him. Far away. Where do we sign up for your prop firm? I won't be having a prop firm, chat. I can promise you that. Been buying gold for years, so it's a long-term thing. Listen, I hear you. Gold's gonna make millionaires, chat. It really will. Any giveaway today? Not today. Actually, you know what? Maybe. Did we do a giveaway today, chat? What do you think? On. I gotta see how many accounts I have to give away here. Let's see. Yeah, I think we'll save it for Friday, chat. I think we'll save it for Friday. Want to make your kids millionaires? Yeah, it'll make my son millionaire because I mean, really, if I buy gold, it's going to be in his account. Kid's only one and he has no idea how set he's going to be. He has no idea. Man, what's the Nas gonna do up here, bro? Are we gonna go rip it, or are we gonna sell? NQ kind of getting a little toppy up here. NQ a little toppy. It's definitely looking a little bit weaker up here, chat. Definitely looking a little weaker. One turns to 25 in the blink of an eye. Yeah, I know. The fact he's already almost 2 is wild. He'll be 2 in December. It's crazy. Crazy. Whoa, chat, I need some caffeine, bro. Need some caffeine. Go get an iced coffee? Oh, no. Oh, no. Chat, we can't do it. We don't do the iced coffees. Chat, I might try short in the prop firm account. I'm not going to do it in the personal. It's a little risky. It's a risky trade. These are the funded Tradeify accounts. Maybe not. I don't know. It's kind of a risky trade. I mean, yeah, we're topping up here, but also too, like, Nasdaq's been very bullish. Session flow, good morning. Good morning. How's your schoolwork? What kind of schoolwork? Doing your bachelor's in business administration with a concentration in finance. And the early on classes still, so it was just some communications and some principles of management work this morning. Nice. Well, good luck with that. I never was a good student. I did the whole school thing. I never was a good student, bro. Never was. School was never for me. Won't be long for grandparents. I don't even want to think about that, bro. I don't even want to think about it. I'm only 35, chat. I'm only 35, bro. All right, let's take a stab, chat, on the funded accounts. We're short 5 micros here. Five micros. Small position. We're the same age, nice. Yeah, I thought of being grandparents wild. There's no way. No way, bro. No way. See the Nasdaq come down and test its 185s. Sash, I hear you, bro. Like, I was never, like, me as a student, bro, I was never good. Never good. I was a really bad student. I think just because I was just bored of school. Like, I don't know. I always knew like school was not for me, and I still did it anyways. Like, if I could go back, chat, I probably would have. I probably would not go to college, to be honest. I probably wouldn't. Just knowing that I had entrepreneurial tendencies, I probably would have never went. Nice selling here. Got down the 185s. Man, we get a break 185s. Nasdaq might be in trouble. We'll see if the sellers have enough strength to push us through. Just gonna hold on to it. How the trade fly account's doing? Doing well. Doing good. We've been taking some really good trades in them. I usually post my TradeFi accounts on Twitter. I updated Twitter there a lot for the TradeFi accounts. I post my P&L calendar. See if we can break these 185s, chat. Well, we broke the 185s, but I want to see some good follow through. Give us some follow through here. There we go. I'll take it off there, chat. That was a good trade. That was from what was it, 202s? Yeah, 202 down to 182. So decent move there. About a 20 pointer. We are counter trend, so I don't, and we are busting this low here. If anything, I'd be looking for longs at this point down here. So I'm not gonna hold on that much longer. Could we go down? Sure. But being counter trend, the train that we've been on, I'll take a 20 point short like that all day. So a solid trade. Solid trade. Take a nice little 20 pointer. 20 pointers, chat. 20 pointers. Yeah, if anything, I like the longs at this point. So I don't want to be riding a short. I definitely don't want to ride a short right here. But yeah, that was a solid trade. We didn't really take any drawdown, chat. I mean, we entered, the most drawdown we took was 4 points on that. So it was really just kind of moved in a straight line for us. I'll take it, baby. Holy, I will absolutely take it. We do have the Fed meeting minutes today, so we got to be careful with volume potentially falling off, you know. Gold is kind of ranging today. It's not really moving anywhere. YM kind of chilling. I think I took it out just shy. I just want to see. I should be up around 200 on that. Yeah, 188. Oh, we're up 188. Can I do a giveaway? We're gonna save it for Friday, because the rest of the accounts I have to give away are straight to funded accounts, and we're gonna do those straight to funded accounts on giveaways on Fridays. Chat, I will say we are doing a giveaway right now. For Tradeify, I have a 150k account giveaway to do. I have a 150k straight to funded account giveaway. If you use code JM, we were doing the same thing we did last month. If you use code JM, send me a screenshot in Discord using code JM, and that'll enter you for the 150k straight to funded account giveaway. And you can have multiple entries. So if you buy 5 accounts, that's 5 entries. Buy 10 accounts, that's 10 entries. So you just gotta just send me a screenshot, show me what you bought with code JM, and I will put you down. Here, I'll fall for that again. Well, you might win. You might. You might. God, chat, I'm almost interested in like flipping longs here. I'm almost interested to flip this thing long. I'm going to. We're long 5 now. I would be longing this in general. I mean, this is, I feel like it's a long that has a good R&R. We're in a great spot to catch a bounce. I'm gonna grab it. So you have to buy funded. No, you can buy evals, you can buy straight to funded, it doesn't matter. You can buy any account with Tradify. Doesn't have to be straight to funded. Oh. Party, yes. Oh, my camera died, chat. My camera overheated. Oh no. Oh no. We'll add 2 to that position. So we're long 7. When's the deadline? The end of the month. All right, taking two of those off. So now we're back down to 5. Letting these 5 run. Ooh, a little bit of sellers coming through here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy. Easy, Nasdaq. Trying to get moved back up there. Getting kind of stuck here. See if we can go pop this little high here. So far, looking good. Let's go ahead and take 2 more off there just to lock in a little bit. I think we still continue higher, but let's just lock in a little more profit there. We have three contracts running now, chat. Just want to make sure I lock in a little bit more. Trying to get a move up here. Be nice if we can just kind of just jet right back up to the highs here, you know? Just jet to the highs here. It's like we're kind of just stuck here. Boy, we really are stuck here, chat. My goodness. Give us a little pop here. Give us a little pop. I'm trying to be a little patient with this one, but we'll see if we can get the pop here. Volume has really died. Really died. My goodness, chat. We are stuck. We are stuck. Absolutely stuck. Went to lunch early. Something. The volume just died. It really did. Volume fell off a cliff. Ay, ay, ay. Trying to get the push up here. I've got 3 contracts running. Buyers trying to come back in here, see if we can go pop these highs. See if the market gives it to us. I'm just going to trail this for these final 3 contracts. It's going to be a long trade. Gonna be a long one. It's Gotta push through 25 to 31s. I don't know if the market's gonna give me that or not, but we're just gonna try to let it ride out. I'm gonna move this up just a little bit just to make sure I lock in some. Stops at 204, so if we jump down here, we'll get stopped. I don't want to be back in this consolidation here, so we'll take it out. If we get back in this consolidation, we'll just take off the trade. Holy volume non-existent. They said we got Fed meeting minutes later. Let's take an early lunch. My goodness. All right, see my camera. I'll turn back on, chat. There we go. Camera is back. Come on, Naz, run it on up. Might need a fan. I know. I probably do. Thought I was getting a new cam. I was, but like I have an expensive camera. Like my camera here is a Sony A7 III. Like it's a nice camera. It's a DSLR camera. So I don't know. I don't think I want to. Like the quality on these are nice. I could buy a cinematic camera. Trailer's a little tighter, chat. Oh wait, this is my stop. I don't know if it's gonna give me the highs. This is all volumes dying, losing steam. I don't know if we get it. My YouTube homepage needs a new photo. All right, there we go. We're stopped out. That was a hell of a trade, chat. Wow. From 179 to 208. 30 pointer, chat. Nice 30 pointer, chat. Look at this. Look at how we just really made the Nasdaq. Like, we just really slapped the market in the face. Like, we took a short at 202. Rode that down to 182 for a nice little 20 pointer. Got out because I really liked the longs down here. Got in a long, barely took any drawdown. From 179 to 30 points on the long. I mean, we just took 50 points out of the Nasdaq, chat. So, listen. Can't complain, bro. Can't complain. That puts us up 475, chat. Wow. We're at 475 on all the Tradify funded accounts. $475 on all funded accounts, chat. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We'll actually take a screenshot of this, of us really just making the Nasdaq our... Hold on, let me just take this screenshot. There we go. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Bing, bada, boom. Bing, bada, boom. Chat, this long here is part of the strategy that we're going over on the 24th. You know why? Because look, what is lining up for us? We have a bullish market. We have a bullish bias. Where are the most obvious stops? Like, I'll see that. Bullish market, bullish day, bullish bias. Where are the most obvious stops going to be before this thing reverses and goes back? Right there. And look where we swept. That's why we took the long right here. For an amazing R to R. Like, that risk to reward is incredible, chat. Absolutely incredible. One could even argue that you could have taken a long off that, right? But that's the most obvious. I don't know, man. I mean, it works. It really does. It works. I don't know what else to say about it. So that's why we're gonna go over it on the 24th in Discord. So if you're not in Discord, make sure you're there. Made 29K on toss up yesterday. Now just accumulating 150 days to cash out. Holy GG's. Love that. It worked for me in London. I don't know the whole strat. Yep. Marty, it really, the stop loss really just depends like on two things. Like, how close is the next level of invalidation, first off, right? If it's close enough to where the R&R and the risk makes sense, then it would be the next point of invalidation in market structure. If we are on a massive move and the market structure or point of invalidation is too far away, then it would probably be on point value base, which I don't like doing. But on this specific strategy, you're technically getting in when people automatically assume that the trade's invalidated, right? And so the next point of invalidation could be far away. So at that point, you don't want to, you want to make sure you don't risk more than what you can tolerate. And so it'd be at point value versus market structure. But if market structure is close enough to where it makes sense for that, then obviously it'd be a market structure. So the next point of invalidation, really. Hopefully that made sense, because that was a lot. We'll be on YouTube after that if we can't make the 24th. Yes, it will be live on, well, not live on YouTube, but I will upload the recording on YouTube. Chat with that, bro. I think that's a good spot to end the stream. I think that's a great spot to call it a morning. I have a meeting. I have a meeting at 12:30. Meeting actually with Tradeovate, chat. I have a meeting with Tradeovate. And then, yeah. Hope you guys have a good rest of your morning. We'll be live later this afternoon, possibly, chat. Maybe we will be. I have a meeting with Tradeovate at 12, and then I gotta go to the gym. What time is it? Maybe I go to the gym now. Actually, I can go to the gym now and get it out of the way. So I might go to the gym now, have a meeting with Tradeovate, and then be live again. So I think that's what we're gonna do, chat. Yeah. Hope you guys have a good morning. Use code JM to enter the giveaway. You have all month. End of the month. Just send me a screenshot in Discord. And we will be live later on. Peace.